Hi parents, this is Coach Saiful from Math Prodigies. Now, how did your child do for the latest math exams? Now, here are 3 biggest mistakes to avoid to help your child fare very well in the final exams. Mistake number 1, they study only by reading the textbook. Now, this has got to be the biggest mistake a child can make when studying for mathematics. Now, imagine if, for example, I gave you an IKEA instruction manual to fix a shelf, and you just read it through once, and then you say, I'm going to start doing this right now. Now, what are the odds that you'll make a mistake? It's a very big odds that you're going to make a huge mistake because you have 0 practice, and math requires practice. So you can't just study just by learning from the textbook. Mistake number 2, they don't make their own notes. So following up from the previous tip, instead of just reading through the textbook, your child should be practicing, because practice makes progress. Now, when they are practicing, they will realize that there are a certain type of question that comes out for the particular topic. Now, if they are able to classify these types into type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, they will be able to revise much more easier and much faster when it comes for the final exams. In fact, doing this will help them anticipate what kind of questions to expect for the final exams. Mistake number 3, they don't work under timed conditions. Now, if your child has this problem of doing well for tests, or doing well in homework, but having a really hard time with the exams, faring really poorly with the exams. Now, most of the time, these children face 2 issues. Number 1 is the exam anxiety, and number 2 is the inability to work under pressure. What I notice is a lot of the time, children, when they do their homework, they don't put themselves under time pressure. Now, time pressure is really important for the exam, because when your child has this clock, that he's on the clock, and he's realizing that he's left with only like maybe a half an hour to finish 10 questions, he feels super pressured. And when this pressure comes, his mind just freezes, and he has this mental block that prevents him from doing well in the exams. Now, to overcome this, you need to simulate the conditions of an exam. And for secondary school, what I usually recommend is you do it for a maximum of 1.5 minutes per mark in the exams. And this will help them to work under pressure, help them be conditioned for the exams. So if you are looking to help your child do much better in the final exams, we have a bunch of specialized coaches who are focusing on primary school as well as secondary school. Now, we have helped children like Declan, who's gone from borderline 50s to scoring 100%. We've even helped children like Liana, who's gone from 18% in primary 6 all the way to 100% in secondary 4, and this works. So all you have to do right now is you can get a free trial to try us out first. We give away 7 of these seats every single week. The first 7 to get this will actually get it for free. So go ahead, sign up for the free trial right here. Alright, this is Coach Saiful. I hope to see you here. Take care.